tomato pour fan and tomato pour and raw material fabric. These are the batik fabric that I'm going to use for the fan, and I will start it by cutting my stiff. You see how we cut the stiff here. Yes, our rule lies on the stiff, the measurement that I want to use for the fan, the size, and then I cut it off. Cut that part in the pieces that I want to do. Maybe I want to do 10 fans or 15 fans or more than that. I'll cut the stiff in that quantity. Okay, as you can see how I'm counting them. Then after here, I'll iron the stiff with the fabric, so it will stick together. One side will stick, one side will not stick, so the other side I have to apply glue so that it will stick together. You see, this is how I iron the stiff with the fabric, and I'll cut it in the size of the stiff. Yes, so I'll iron it again so that it will stick very well, whereby the stiff and the fabric will be together. Okay, and these are the fabrics that I'm using to make the fans. They're all batik. These are batik fabrics. This is the place that I'm applying the glue. I'll glue it. I'm gluing it so that this part to also stick together. Yes, and press it very hard so that it will stick together. After that, I'll put the iron on it so that it will stick more. You see, iron it again. Then I'll start to fold it. This is how I do my folding it this way. Yes, this is how the folding is done. And I'll tie it with the pieces of cloth or the fabric. And I'll take another one, start folding again. You see, when you open it like this, you can see that it's fan, but it's not complete. Yeah, that's the shape that and the style that the fan will be. You see, okay, but it's not complete. I will shape the edges here. I will shape it. Okay. Shaping it with my scissors too. And I'll start to cut the leather. This is the leather that is black leather, and we have so many different kinds of leather. We have black, we have brown, we have red, we have blue, yellow. What kind of leather that you want? Any kind of leather that you want, we have it. So I then apply the glue to the side of the fan. Then I stick the leather to it, as you can see. Then I'll shape it. See, after shaping it, you see how it is. Yes. So I'll now start to do the stitches. This is the difficult part of making the fan. The stitches is very difficult, especially when you are doing them plenty. It's very hard. You have to do it by hand. Everything is by hand. There's no machine for anything here, so I'm using hand to do everything. So you see how I'm stitching this. So I have to stitch it all throughout, both sides. I have to stitch it. And I don't do only this thing alone, all the leather bags in the baskets there. And this is another one too. I'm doing the stitching with the black leather. Yes. Then this is the cane that I'll put inside of the fan to make the handles for it. See, so I say cane. The local name of it is called afia. Then I'll put it inside. So you see how it is. Fix it inside and dress and sewing all. Yes, I'm leveling this so that every place will be equal. Okay, then I have to tie it all together to cover the cane with the leather. Then I'll dress it well. Yeah, that's how it goes. Yes. I'll do the other one the same thing. Put the glue. Put in the glue on the leather. Then I'll wrap it. Here, this is the complete fan. This is how we open it. It's a complete fan. Yes, you can see they're very nice. Then you can fan yourself. You see.